Hello everyone. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to solve this equation. As we can see, this equation is big. So if we try to solve it straight away, it is very hard. So it has a trick. So the trick is that we just let u equal to x plus 2019. So the new equation in terms of u will be u plus 1 over u minus u plus 2 over u plus 1 equal to u plus 3 over u plus 2 and then minus u plus 4 over u plus 3. So this still look difficult, but what we have to do, we just calculate the first side of the equation and we just calculate the second side of the equation part by part. So we will get u plus 1 and then multiply with u plus 1 minus u factor with u plus 2 and all over u factor with u plus 1 then equal to the second side. So we will get u plus 3 factor with u plus 3 minus u plus 2 factor with u plus 4 over u plus 2 factor with u plus 3. Okay, and then calculate the first side. So we will get u square plus 2u plus 1 minus u square minus 2u and then over u plus 1 here and then equal to the second side also the same. We will get u square plus 6u and then plus 9 minus u square minus 6u and then minus 8 over u plus 2 over u plus 3 and we will get 1 over u factor with u plus 1 equal to 1 over u plus 2 over u plus 3. Okay, so and then next what we have to do, we just find a common denominator, or we can use the rule of ratio. So we will get u plus 2 multiplied with u plus 3 equal to u factor with u plus 1. Okay, then we will get u square plus 5u plus 6 equal to u square plus u. And then we can cancel u square both sides of the equation. And so 5u, we can subtract both sides of the equation by u. Then we will get 5u minus u plus 6 and then u plus u here. And then we get 4u plus 6 equal 0. So then we will get 4u equal to negative 6. U equal to negative 6 divided by 4. And then we simplify this fraction. We will get 3 over 2. Then we're gonna take u equal to negative 3 over 2. Substitute into the first equation here, which is u equal to x plus 2019 in order to find the values of x. So then x plus 2019 equal to negative 3 and half, and then x equal to negative 3 and half minus 2019, then x equal to negative 3 minus 2 multiplied with 2019 all over 2, then x equal to negative 3 minus 4038 over 2, then x equal to negative 4041 over 2. So therefore x equal to negative 4041 over 2 is the root of the equation. Okay, now I have solved this question. I hope you understand and hope to see you in the next video. Goodbye.